Quantum particles of light, photons, provide an unhackable means of transmitting encryption keys over network as attempts to observe particles in quantum state will invariably alter the particles and in the process dismantle any information they transmit. It looks long, but it's actually just one sentence, meaning it just have a one main clause, and the subject here will be the particles, quantum particles, and the verb of the main clause should be provide here. Provide an unhackable means, that will be the object. Subject, verb, object of transmitting encryption keys over network. Now we have a dependent clause as attempt to observe particles in quantum state. Attempt will invariably alter. So we got the subject and verb. Yeah, so as attempt to observe particles in quantum state will invariably alter the particles and in the process dismantle. Okay, so you can see that attempt will alter and will dismantle. Okay, and dismantle any information they transmit. Now, one thing is that in the process, you guys see that in the process has to be the non-essential element that can be removed, and therefore it's a supplementary phrase that you can put comma before and after. And I did say in the past that you normally you don't have the comma after and when you connect two independent clauses, but this is a case where you can have a comma. If it happened to be right after and, you have a supplementary phrase. Okay, so first, if you're gonna have this supplementary, or if you notice or recognize that in the process is a supplementary clause, you do need a comma before and after. Okay, because the main in the dependent clause, the main subject or the subject will be attempt, will alter and dismantle. So this in the process is non-essential. So we need a comma before and after, and we're missing that in choice A, and we're missing that in choice D, and in choice C, maybe the students might get tempted to choose dash because you saw dash here, but the photons is already done, and there's no point of having a dash in the process and separate the verb, so another verb from the subject here. There's no point of doing that. So choice C is out, choice D is out, and choice B, correctly place the comma before and after the supplementary phrase in the process.